Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is going to be a little experiment. So what I've done is, this is a serviette. You have serviettes that are so pretty. And I've cut out a little birdie from it. And now we need to do a backing on this. Okay, so I've mixed some resin up. And now I'm going to add some custom craft white to it, as well as some blue color. 2 drops of the blue. All right, so here goes nothing. Gonna give it one quick torch. And I'm gonna switch the curing machine on. So it is set. Now I'm going to use an all-purpose sealer. You use it for decoupage. And I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this here, and I'm gonna spread it around here. Like so. And I'm gonna go. See whether I go down or I go up. All right, and now I'm going to do the same thing with the top. I'm gonna dab the sealer, making sure that it is flat, or as flat as it can be, because it does wrinkle. I should have put it just a little bit further down, but once you put it, it's almost impossible to shift it from place. Remember that. Dry up before we go on to the next part. Okay, bye for now. Okay, so continuing with this, I've got some acrylic paint, some brushes, and I'm going to do a little bit of paint in this. And this is very simple to do. I've got some dark brown and I've added a little bit of black to it to make it darker. And I've got a lighter brown for the highlights. And all I'm doing is dabbing it on, because you're not painting on a canvas. So what you're doing is dabbing it. Okay, so having that dried, I've got some green now here, and all I'm going to do is dab. That's all I'm going to do, dab it. And I'll be doing highlights with lemon green and yellow on the leaves. Once dry, I will be spraying the sealant on it. Okay, so I let it sit for a few hours to dry. Then I sprayed it with the sealant, and now I have mixed some clear resin and I will pour it over the top of it. And it doesn't have to be too much, guys. It's just to cover it. That is all. Just enough to cover it. That everything is covered, and that's basically it. Give it a nice little touch. To get rid of all the bubbles. The curing machine on. Having done that, so I'll be back when that is set. Bye for now. Let's have a look. Look at it. How pretty is that? I made this one a little bit more because I think it needed a bit extra in there. But look at that. Look at all the beautiful things you can do with resin. Something different, very pretty. Yep. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Doesn't cost anything and it helps my channel grow. Bye for now. Stay magical. Remember, we all have magic in us.